Dirt is expensive, really expensive. It slows down machines, wastes energy, and quietly drains billions from the global economy. And robots are starting to fight back. Think about solar panels. A thin layer of dust can cut output up to 30%. That's the difference between profit and loss on a solar farm. Or ship hulls. When they foul, drag increases, fuel costs skyrocket. The IMO estimates biofouling wastes 100 billion in fuel every year. Even warehouses and factories, dust and grime don't just look bad. They wear down machines, clog ducts, and put safety at risk. Cleaning isn't a side issue, it's the silent line item that can make or break entire industries. And that's where robots come in. In Germany, Atlatus builds autonomous scrubbers for logistics hubs. In Switzerland, CleanFix makes floor robots that recharge and refill themselves. ICE Robotics adds subscription models to make adoption easier. In Spain, Nova sends robots into greasy HVAC ducts and industrial vents. In Luxembourg, SolarClino keeps solar farms dust-free, while Israel's Ecopia runs entire deserts with water-free autonomous cleaners. On the water, Italy's Kickcrab and Jotun Hulkskater scrub ship hulls before fouling can cost millions in fuel. And up in the skyline, Skyline Robotics deploys Osmo to clean skyscraper windows. A dangerous job now automated. Even fish farms. Remor Robotics in Norway cleans salmon nets to keep stocks healthy and yields high. But here's the catch. Adoption isn't just about shiny tech. Robots must prove they can work day after day in unpredictable environments, under tight margins. Because when cleaning fails, output drops, fuel burns, machines break. Reliability and economics build novelty every single time. Cleaning robots aren't about automating chores. They're about protecting billions in value that dirt quietly destroys. So next time you see a robot scrubbing a floor, crawling a duct, or cleaning a hull, remember, it's not about being clean. It's about the economics of dirt.